Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the first episode of my channel. I am Dash, and in this channel we will talk about basketball, sports in general, traveling because I love traveling also. Food, definitely I could have food challenges with you guys. For that we also have podcast and yeah, random content around malls, do challenges, pranks, dares, whatever gives us a laugh, and expect the most random, crazy content from this channel.
Stop that. Stop that. Yeah. I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize. White girls let it tell me I'm awesome. Yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch man, please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for war, man, forget my peace. You take the west, I'll take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Yeah, just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let it tell me I'm awesome. Yeah, hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch man, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks.
Dito tayo ngayon sa NC guys. Nood muna. Here in NC guys. Yung mga kakampi natin. Tung, ano masasabi mo pre? Sa first game ng Baste pre?
Naantok na ako.
Ano masasabi mo idol? Sa first game ng Baste?
It feels exciting, it feels warm, it feels nice.
Ano masasabi mo uno?
Palong-palo yung mga rep. Palong-palo yung mga rep. Palong-palo.
What?
Basti Laroya, star player ng Stags. Umalis na kami ng halftime, fill oil, on the way to Aero. Habol pa sa laro. So guys, malapit na tayo sa venue. Naka-jersey na. Ito lang, hanggang dito lang tayo kasi syempre trabaho na and I cannot vlog on the court. I gotta focus and see you guys after the game. Hi guys, we're on the way to SM. Default kasi yung kalaban, so default panalo kami. Di na ako nang pag-vlog kasi kala ko late na ako, pero wala palang kalaban. So we're gonna go to SM now, we're gonna meet our friends and yeah. Dito na kami sa SM with
Hey guys,
Miguel.
meron ba yung sarili ka? Nagpo-focus ba?
Ayong nakakano sa tao. Saan nga tayo man?
Dito tayo ngayon sa SM. So guys,
Ha?
tatanong
Sorry.
tayo dito.
Ha?
Magtatanong tayo mamaya dito, mag-i-interview tayo.
Mag-interview tayo ng mga anong mga interview natin mamaya, sir?
Di natin alam eh. Pero mamaya mag-iisip tayo. Pag dumating na yung si Boss Loris.
Meron pa kaming surprise na isa pa. Dito na yung kinakaabang-abangan ng mga tao. Well, sir, first and foremost, what's your name, sir?
I'm Norris Gabriel Fontanilla.
Yeah. Known local boxer. Taka na pre, parang school attendance lang ah. Ito nga pala pre si Miguel. So ano na guys, tara. Guys, we are here in time zone, SM North, Monte Trip, syempre.
Let's go!
Ano yan? Tara. First game of the day, punching bag.
Who got the lowest score is gay?
Pinakamababang score is gay, sabi ni Tropa. Ikaw muna. Wait. Up first, mister. What's your name, sir?
Norris.
Sir Norris. Unang suntok. Ikaw. Let's go. Bang! 5-1. Pre. Asan yung card? Card, pre. Good, pre. Ano ba? Pre? Kaliwa kanan. Ano? Pre? Uy! Game. Ang taas kasi! Ano, pre? Tangin na yan! Oh my God! Wow! Kinda. Guys, nasa roller coaster.
Ganyan tayo yung seatbelt. Ito ata yung pinaka-delikadong ride dito sa SM.
Ay, grabe. Nakakatakot. May briefing pa. May pinasign pa kami ng waiver ni Kuya. Kuya, mag-hi ka, Kuya. Upload ko to sa ano, Kuya? Sa page. Down mo na, pre.
Okay, wow, my God!
Pre, may bodies dun, no?
Tingin lang din pa ng diretso sa'yo.
Pre, tumatakbo na, pre!
Pre, tingin kayo sa likod.
Ay, gago!
Wala.
Tangina, ayoko yan!
Sino ang bakla dito? Yan, walang yan.
Huwag mo buksan, Dor! Pre, huwag mo buksan!
Ay, mga chicks, pre!
Hey! Yo, what's up, bro?
Hindi totoo yan.
Pre, sa dorm pala tayo, pre? Ay, bucha, matutulog na? Pre, idlip lang ako, pre.
Sabi mo, tulog na ako.
Ay, patay!
Ulitin ko pa ba?
Ay, patay!
Pre, gago! Ay! Pre, gago!
Sinasaludoan kita.
Gago, baliw! Aray! Pre! Gago, wag! Wag! Ah! Uy!
Ay, naginip lang siya, pre!
Ah, hindi, totoo.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Flashback. End of flashback.
Ano pre? Kuya, thank you sa pag-welcome sa rides mo.
Thank you po.
Thank you, kuya. Ano masabi mo, pre? Wild, wild?
Grabe intense, grabe intense.
Grabe, no? Pre, wild, pre, wild. Tama nga na muna, guys. Piece of it. Okay, guys. Pindot. Tadtarin na natin. Pre, kamusta ka dyan, pre?
Focus lang na, focus lang.
Ay, wala na. Ito yung tropa natin ngayon. What's your name, bro? Militar.
Sinasaludohan kita. Hey!
Meron kaming tanong sa'yo. And whatever you answer, you get the coins. So, if you ever grow up to be a parent, which one would you rather have? Kunyari, di ba parent ka na? Tapos may two options ka. Would you rather have a gay son or a thought daughter? Thought daughter? Over gay son? Explain. Kahit maikli lang. Ayaw mo ng baklang anak?
Umuwi ka na?
Okay. I respect your opinion. With that, you get the coins, man. Palis na kasi kami. Thank you, bro.
Nice to meet you, Militar.
Palis na kami. So, thank you. And enjoy, pare. Thank you. Ingat, man. Thank you. Bait ng bata, no? Yeah. Sana makasama ka tonight, babe.
Ano ang arte mo?
Oo,
Hindi ka naman gwapings.
Ano kakantahin mo, pre? Ano kakantahin natin, pre?
Huwag yung intindi ito, Pilipitan dila nito eh.
And it's crazy. Everything I try to find, your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. Yeah. You're my rainbow sky.
So guys, yeah, today's vlog is done. Want to see more crazy stuffs? Sa Tagalog, gusto nyo bang updated kayo sa mga kalokohan na i-upload namin? Well, like, subscribe, and comment if you have suggestions or thoughts. I would gladly appreciate that. And yeah, here are the links, and see you guys.